Namaste and welcome to the short yoga series of UE Health. This is a quick full body flexibility flow. So, if you are sitting and working for long hours where your body is feeling tight and needs a quick stretch to open up, this is a flow for you. So, let's begin. Sit in a comfortable posture or Sukhasana. We'll start with stretching out our shoulders. Take your right arm up towards the ceiling and bend your right hand so your elbows are facing the ceiling. Take your left hand, catch hold of your right elbow and pull your right elbow towards the left side. You can feel the stretch on your right tricep and scapula. Breathe here. Keep your breath long and deep. Release down. Moving to the other side, lift your left hand up and bend your left hand. So your left elbow is facing the ceiling. Take your right hand, catch hold of your left elbow and pull towards the right side. Feel an amazing stretch. And release down. Take your hands, place them on your knees. From here, extend your left hand and bring your torso towards the right side. Lean forward, come towards the left and back. Round your spine and make a hollow shape in the front of your body. Move towards the right, forward, left and back. Continue for 3. Form one complete circle. 2 and 1. So once you come back, we'll change direction, moving in the opposite direction for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So once you move back, straighten your spine, coming back to neutral. Take your legs towards the side, coming into tabletop. From here, tuck both your toes, lift your knees and push your hips back, downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, push your chest towards your thigh. You can stretch out the backs of your leg by bending and straightening one knee at a time. And when you straighten your leg, push your heel towards the mat or the floor. Continue to keep your breath long and deep. Straighten both your legs, pushing your heels towards the floor. Inhale, raise your right leg up towards the ceiling. So here, if your legs are slightly off the mat or up towards the ceiling, it's okay. Exhale, bring your right leg forward, place it in between your palms and straighten your right leg. So your fingertips are on the mat on either side of your right leg. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, fold over your right leg, bringing your forehead towards your right shin. If this is difficult, you can just keep your spine straight, looking forward. Rebend your right knee. Place your left palm on the mat. Take your right hand up. Open your chest towards the right side, look up. You're twisting here. Release your right hand down. Release your left knee down. Place your left palm on the mat, bend your left leg and take your right hand behind. Catch hold of your left feet. You can stay here or you can softly pull your left leg towards your glute. Stretching out your quadriceps or your left quadricep. Release. Bring your right hand down on the mat and take your right leg back to downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up towards the ceiling or just slightly off the mat wherever you are today. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your left leg forward, place it in between your palms and straighten your left leg. Inhale, look forward, you can hold here, or exhale, release your forehead towards your left shin. Make sure your left leg is straight, you're stretching the backs of your left leg here. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward, bend your left leg, place your right palm on the mat and take your left hand up towards the ceiling. Open your chest towards the left side. Twisting here. Exhale, release your left hand down. Release your right knee down on the mat. Place your right palm down and bend your right leg. Take your left hand back, catch hold of your right feet. You can hold here or pull your right feet towards your glute. Stretching out your right quadricep. Release your right leg down, take your left hand down on the mat and take your left leg back to downward facing dog. Now, roll yourself forward, coming into plank pose. Hold your plank for 3, 2 and 1. Let's release all the way down on your stomach. Place your feet flat on the mat. Bring your palms by the side of your ribs. Feet are hips width apart. Inhale, lift up, coming into high lift cobra. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift up. Arms are straight here. Keep a soft bend in your elbow. Exhale, release down. Inhale up. Look up. Exhale, release down. Now tuck both your toes. Press yourself up to your knee and lift your knee, push your hips up towards the ceiling, downward facing dog. Look to the top of your mat and walk forward. Slowly roll yourself up, coming into standing. Your head is the last to arrive. From here, take your hands behind you, interlock your fingers, open your chest, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Here you can keep your knees straight or keep them bent. So your hands are reaching overhead or trying to reach overhead. So if you don't have the flexibility in your shoulders, try to keep your hands slightly off your lower back. Wherever you are, hold and breathe. And slowly release your hands down, your fingertips down on the mat. Take your hands behind, catching hold of your calf muscle. We are folding forward here, so you can keep your knees bent or straight. Belly is placed on your thigh. Inhale and exhale, fold forward, trying to bring your forehead towards your shin. And release, halfway lift. So you can place your hands on your shin, your spine is straight, you're looking forward, legs are straight. Inhale. And exhale. Release down. Release your fingertips on the mat. Inhale, rise all the way up. Take your arms up towards the ceiling. And exhale, bring your palms towards your chest. From here, bend your knees, sink your hips down, take your arms up, chair pose. So in chair pose, when you look down, you should be able to see your toes and you should be able to lift your toes off the mat. So the weight of your body is falling on the backs of your leg. As you exhale, straighten your legs and fold forward. Inhale, rise all the way up, coming into standing. Take your palms up towards the ceiling. And exhale, bring your palms towards your chest. Take a deep breath in here and exhale out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you felt a good stretch in your body in this quick flow sequence. Namaste.